For to this video guys, update data sa tong pagkawalay buot no nga tingala kung anong dato nga pobre man wa may maluto hinuon. Kay nahuman naman ang atong pagpapanggap nga dato, magpanggap na pud ta diri nga pobre ta. So, mangharbis taron og mais kay parang natay malungag no mabusog ang atong tiyan, di mapas mo atong bitok. Actually guys, istoryahan ta mo sa Tino, wala gyud ko naanad ning ani nga trabaho no. Kay dito sa among bukid nga syudad, hayahay kay akong trabaho dito kay kabalo mo guys, eager gid ko magpadako sa akong itlog. But after all these years of passing my life, as this is true for me, my behavior is going soon. And that is why I'm performing in camera. I tell me myself that if I am a matured people, my behavior is going through the years and forevermore in the universe. And I am suggesting all the people that who cannot eat every 3 times a day, in the morning, in the afternoon, and the evening, is you need to be sacrifices enough to harvesting a corn, because a corn is very dangerous to our health and good in the condition of our tummy, because the bitok is olod kate-kate in your tinae. Way klaro ni. So I am suggesting now people out there that is for people that you are not you don't need to have Gago! Or you don't need to be pretending enough to be rich, because if you are poor people, you accept it, because it's hard to accept people that is poor and you're rich. Tell me.